All right, good afternoon and welcome to the end of the review for today. And today is Thursday, September 12th, 2024. So it's just the fourth trading day of this week, and we have one more day. Yeah, one more day we conclude this week. And this week we have the high impact news on Wednesday, which is yesterday at 8:30 Eastern Time AM. And we could go to the charts later. And we are in week 37. And we are in quarter 3 and the second week of September. So we have two more weeks. We finish September, which is the first the third quarter right there. And next week we have the FOMC meeting right there, 17 and 18, right there. That's what we're tracking. And then at the end of the month, I think the last Thursday, it will be the GDP data, and the last Friday, it will be a BCA data. So basically, the first Friday, we will have a non-farm payroll. The last Friday, we're going to have the BCA data, and the last Thursday, we will have the GDP data. Yep. And second Wednesday of the month, we will have CPI data. Yep. All right, let's go into the chart now. So you see from yesterday, after the CPI data, we see the manipulation move right here. That's it, the manipulation move. After the manipulation move, it reverse. Manipulation and reverse. That is the price action, and it hit the high time frame, which is the weekly time frame, for breakout at this level, and it touched the liquidity on the 4-hour, 1-hour time frame, the order block. We did show that yesterday. Let's look at again. Yeah, here's the one we have from yesterday, and we do have a nice setup when it reversed right there, which is a if we use the low of this candle, it create a reversal type 1 right there, which is you have break and you have retest and reverse right there. So 3-step right there. Also, we pay attention at the London. The London range is between the previous day PM range right there. So it did sweep the buy side, and then it sweep the sell side right there, and then it's reversed. Right. So right here, if we're looking for a second leg, that we don't see it. It's just a manipulation, and boom, it reversed right away. It reversed very fast right there. And if we look on the daily, this candle is supposed to be what? To be the Dow close, but it flipped. And the reason why it reversed at this level, because on 1-hour time frame is a order block right there, which is a reversal setup right here also on type 2 reversal. Test, break, and reverse. So to create the huge order block right there. Yeah, so pay attention, maybe the order block is created in the type 2 reversal. Whenever you have a type 2 reversal, then that can be a very good order block. When it revisit level, it will reversal. Yes, so on the 1 hour time frame from yesterday, this candle flip is supposed to be next leg down, but it did not happen. So basically, you see the first right here is the leg up, and then this gonna be a retracement. So basically, this candle is supposed to be a neck leg down, but it turned into a retracement, and it flipped right there. You see, it flipped. At one point, we thought it gonna down close. Look at the screenshot we took yesterday. No, not yesterday. Not this one. Yeah, right here. Yeah, we need to show that. You see, it's supposed to be down close. It's gonna be make a second next leg down, but it flipped. See, it flipped. Yeah, it flipped. Let's close this. You see, it's flipped right there. Yeah, it flipped. It flipped right there. We may put this in here so it can clear, give it clear. It flipped right there. It flipped, it create a fall breakout. Yeah, let's put this in there so we have a total picture context. Alright, we put them all together right there. So we see the manipulation right there into a order block. Then it reverse. It create, at first it be like this. You see that? That's Dow close candles, but it reverse because it hit into the 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame order block. Then it flip. You see it's flip right there. Yes, it flipped right there. Yes. Alright, so we have it look very perfect right there. So we see that it flipped from yesterday, and today it continued to move up. Today we continue to see that it move up. It make right, here's the screenshot we take at the beginning on the daily time frame and weekly time frame right there. So it's gonna make a doji candle here, or gonna make another move up. And at the end of the day, here's it make, so it make another up close candle. It go to this level right there. At first we thought it gonna make a doji candle because you see that it kind of consolidate right there. And today we see the difference for last 2 days that the London is above the previous day PM range right there. So it tells us that it's gonna move up. At least, in the hand side, we thought it gonna move up. We thought that it's gonna be a doji, but right around here, it have very nice setup. We did miss this setup right here. You see that? What that's called? Break, and then retest, or test from below, and then reverse. So that's a tight one right there. We missed that setup because we have something to do. We don't pay attention, and today we kind of want to take it a little bit easy. The last couple of weeks we really work hard and to blow up our house, so we want to lay back a little bit, and but it's okay to mix. That's the feeling that we need to have before we try not to mix and we really chase them. But now we try to do the opposite. It's okay to mix. All right. But if we don't see the stuff, we're not gonna try. It's okay to mix them. Let's try that approach. You see, before we just try, we taste. We don't want to mix, and that leads it to the tendency that we are chase. And now we try to apply the opposites. Do not chase. It's okay to mix, because opportunities come every day. So it's a beautiful setup right here. And look at it pour exactly at this level on the previous day BM range right there, just a mid of that. It's above the mid range, and it did rate the London sell liquidity. Let's see if on the 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minute electronic hour. We don't see any gap. Let's see the ICT setup. Yeah, let's review the ICT setup to see if we mix anything. So today, is there any swing at 9:30? Do we have that? Not really, but we do have a swing before 9:30. Yes, before 9:30, which is levered to this model. Oh yeah, it did. So basically it rate the London and anticipate. So yes, it did. You see right there, it rate the London, and then it go back to the opposite direction. Anticipate in opposition. Target London south side liquidity. In this case, it's the south side, but in other case, it's a buy side right there. Up pretty high, pretty low. Oh, okay, we had a no right there. We don't have any gap today, so yes, the model 2.1 is a if the price is not within close to the yeah, this one is the most confusing one right here. The condition if the price not within or close to pivot day at 9:30. $9.30 right here is in the PM range right there. Previous day PM range. Then yeah, it's okay. So it's let's skip that for now. So let's go with this setup right here. We make this setup. As soon as we miss them, we take a screenshot. Let's see what our right up right there. So it's right here. Okay, so right here, we take screenshot right there. Very beautiful setup. So we have 1 to 3 ritual ratio right there. So we reach about $6 or 6 point right there, and you get about 17. It will target at the buy side of the candle, but if we let it run, it can be the hill run because go all the way up to on the daily time frame. It go up right there at that level. So 80 it go up to the low of this candle. So basically it's a reversal type 1 radar. You have break, test from below. You see how perfect it is. This candle range right here. Beautiful. You mark the high of that candle. You can see that clearly the setup is forming right there. It break. Even better, before it break, it tests above and break, tests below, and then it reverse. So give it a lot of confluence right there. It's your right reversal type 1. So that's our bread and butter setup, which is reversal type 1. We have another one in reshuffle type 2. Let's review that. So when we say type 1, what do we mean? It's right here. Basically, you have 3 steps right there. It break, it test or retest from above or below. If test from above, then it's gonna be a long setup. But it test from below, then it's gonna be a short setup right there. Yes, it break the level. You see this level right there. It break, it tests from below, then it reverse. That's the long setup. Right here, it break above level, and then it tests from above. Then it's a short setup. That's called type 1 right there. 3 step. The same we have the reversal type 2, which is also 3 step, but the last step is the same, right? It reverse. But the first 2 steps, it catch swap. It tests first, it break, and it reverse. It tests first, break, and it reverse. That's type 2 right there. So the type 1 is a very popular, very common. That's another word. It's very common, and it gives a very good run. So that's what we mean by type 1 right there, which is 3 steps right there, type 1. And we do have that beautiful setup today. It happens almost every day, so just wait for our setup. That is our new approach going forward. We have to wait for our setup. If it's no setup, then no trade. If a setup, then we take a trade. We stay commit. If not, then just wait. It's okay to mix, and today we do mix that. So that's a new pro for us. The last couple of months we cover. The first one, when we start out with the challenge, we pass the challenge with a simply approach right there, which is we wait for the setup, and we go in and we let it run, 1 to 3 ritual, and we pass the challenge. But then we let the greed, taking over, the emotion take over. We want to, make more money and chase it. So we just completely lost the perspective. We just focus on the outcome, try to make money, not try to improve our process, improve our craft. We off track, and that's the reason why we blow our cow a couple of times. And we blow our cow again on Wednesday. So not Wednesday. I think on Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, on Tuesday. That make us to look back, and we found that is the unfold errors we make. Now we have to improve, and we have to slow down ourselves down to control our urge to make money, because money is just a byproduct. We just focus on the process instead of the outcome. Yep. So that is the setup type 1 right there. See that type 1 right there, and there's are a signal first that it's gonna go up. because the London is set up above the previous day BM range right there, and the pullback at 9:45, which is this candle right there, is above the previous day range. So give a signal that the pullback right here will not break. It will not be reversed from here, but it's gonna make a non-leg up right there. So you're gonna make a non-leg up. Oh, okay. So you're gonna make non-leg up right here. There's a pullback right here, and then it make a second leg up. And how do we know that? It form a 4 breakout right here. 4 breakout right here, or a second leg up, which is a real breakout. Yeah. I mean, you can say 4 breakout at the level, but in other context, you can tell that it's a real breakout. You see, it break one, it break twice, and then it's gonna break again. So it's a real breakout at this level. Make a second leg up. That is another, yeah, that's another way to word them, right? Right here at this level 55, 61.50, we can call it a 4 breakout. It breakout and reverse. But if we look at this contact, we see this the first leg up. All of it is just consolidation, and it's gonna be a real breakout at level. So you can call it a real breakout also. But you have to find a setup for a real breakout. A little bit tricky for real breakout. All right. Anyway, that is the beautiful setup for us around 12 exactly the noon time right there. And look at the contact right here. So basically we have a huge flip, and there's gonna be a follow up right there. So it's a follow through day right there. This is the day 1, and it's day 2 is follow through. So basically this setup is a follow through. That's another way to look at this. All right, now look at the second setup right here for today. It happened very quick. We did took the trade. We used the practice account. Our real accounts blow up 2 days ago, so we have to wait for next month. We're not gonna reset them. Just wait for a month. We have to make ourselves wait. We need to practice patience and practice discipline. There's no way around that. We tried that before. We failed. Now we have to try something different, which is practice discipline and practice patience. Because that's right here, right? When we draw the level, we see what? We see break, test from above, and then it can reverse. So we go in at this candle. Unfortunately for us, we got it reversed back. We got kicked out. And then we don't have it, and then we have to step out to do something else. When we come back, we say, wow, we missed it. Next time, we just leave the order right there. We're thinking about leave the order, but we just cancel our order because we want to re-entry. If we leave it there, we may or may not, because they come back more than 1 hour. But it's a very nice setup. You have 1 to 3 ratio right there, and today there. And if you aim at this high or the high of this candle for that matter, you still have a good run. Yes, so that is the type 1 right there. Break touch from above and reverse. And you have to and get out. Otherwise, it retraces back and kick out. You see, it retraces back, above the entry, so kick out right there. That means someone really step in and hold the price up right there. A look at the tip that we have, the trade we took right there. Yeah, here's the trade we take. Is that we put a buy stop right there at the high of this candle, just one pip up below. It's 98.50. We put at 25. You see that's 50.25 right there. And our order got filled. You see that it got filled. It did test that level. So if this follow through this candle, it should go down, but it flipped back. Yes, it flipped back. So the lesson learned for us is that when we go in right here, we have to put stop loss right here, because we want this candle to be follow through quick. You don't want it to retrace back. It retrace back, then it's something else happen. We can re-entry, because we don't want to waste our bullet right here, 5 point, which is 1R right there. We can right here, if go back, see that if you go back to right there, which is 56.01. So we go in at 98.50, right? 98.25, 61. So we lose 3 right here. We should get out right there. So which is 1R is 200. So we lose about 1.5 R. We need to get out, because this is supposed to be going down. But if not, then exit out. You see, it's okay. And then we know that if we come back here, our thesis is still right. So that's which one we try to re-entry. But right here we got step out, so we close order. But if we leave the order, we may reach our targets. But we got step out, so we close our trade right there. But you look right here, all right? So we go in at 98.50, is that right? And we aim at 55.83. Let's go to the chart right there. Go to the chart right there. So if we go in, yeah, do you see that? 98.50. And 98.50, okay. And yep. So if we go in right here and then we leave the order, the next candle we're gonna go in, but it will come back. And also because the range is very high, so it will leave it there. It automatic execute. When we're not there, then the limit force we only reach 1R, which is 5. Yes, we still get kicked out. That's the trick right there. We got kicked out. Yes, we got kicked out. Yeah, we got kicked out. Yeah, because the range is too big. But if we manage, we go in early, then we will get our 5R, 3R easily right there. I think we am at 83, which is easily hit 83. Yeah, 83 right there. 55.83. See right there. 83 right there. It's 3R right there. So we reach 1R and we want to gain 3R. It's easily got it. But if we go a little bit early right here, we will surely got it. Right there. So basically we have two beautiful setup they are type 1 reversal from long to short right there. The problem is that execution right there. That's a little bit tricky. This one a little bit tricky, but this one is too easy to execute on. Let's delete this one. All right, I think we finished on time, and thank you for your time and interest. Always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, then success is coming our way. Day by day, in every way, we're getting better. Thank you, and talk to you later. Bye for now.